Hey guys, my name is Sam, aka Mr. Two Pairs Minimum, and today we're going to take a quick look at the 5740 by New Balance in collaboration with Japanese fashion brand BAPE, also known as BAPE. It comes in a branded box if you manage to grab these at the BAPE store, but unfortunately I only managed to grab the general release pair in the grey NB box. The style code is M5740BAP, and inside the box comes the shoes wrapped in white New Balance branded paper. No extra accessories come with this pair, but we're not here for the box, so let's get right into the shoes. These released in late July 2022 here in the UK for the retail price of £120. Like its name suggests, the New Balance 5740 is a chunkier take to the classic 574. It features a silver reflective 3M mesh upper with black and grey synthetic suede overlays, so expect these to pop at night. BAPE branding can be seen on the tongue, insoles and heel. I love the grey BAPE camo print on the end logos that sits on both sides of its mid panels. To me, this is the best colorway out of the 3-pack that includes a green and multicolour pair. The quality of materials aren't premium, but it's decent for its £120 price point. Sizing wise, the 5740 is slightly generous, so I went down half a size for the snug fit, so I recommend staying at most true to your US size. This shoe gets a pickup rating for me. Although the 5740 is not the most popular New Balance model, this should definitely please both New Balance and BAPE collectors. So let me know your thoughts in the comments below by saying 2 pairs minimum, pick up or pass. Thanks for watching. Use my discount code 2pairs15 for 15% off liquid proof for all your footwear aftercare needs. Apart from that, have a good day.